Chicken Francese is a classic Italian-American chicken dish that's incredibly easy to prepare and cook. It's so delicious it will become a staple in your weeknight dinner rotation. Here is a recipe for chicken francese. Ingredients needed to prepare chicken francese: 2 chicken breasts, boneless and skinless. Salt and pepper, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs. 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 1/4 cup olive oil. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup raw white wine. 1/2 cup chicken broth, 1/4 cup lemon juice. Lemon slices for garnish. How to prepare chicken francese. 1. Cut each chicken breast in half horizontally to form 4 thin steaks in total. Season both sides with salt and pepper. 2. In a shallow bowl, mix together the flour, salt, and pepper. 3. In another shallow bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, Parmesan cheese, and parsley. 4. Dip each chicken steak in the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Then dip it in the egg mixture, making sure it is coated evenly. 5. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken steaks and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove from the skillet and set aside. 6. In the same skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the white wine, chicken broth, and lemon juice. Bring to a simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened slightly. 7. Return the chicken steaks to the skillet and spoon the sauce over them. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the chicken is heated through. 8. Serve the chicken francese hot, garnished with lemon slices. Enjoy your homemade chicken francese.